we go, buddy.
Two right, right
Oil
at my
pressure in the
contact
green,
now.
oil pressure in the green, airspeed's alive.
Short, runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Our flaps are coming out.
Musketeer 80, Quebec left and left on runway 22 right, then right at my...
You want to fly it?
Feet, and then I'll test them.
Don't turn it too much, just a little bit. This fun or what? Alright, straighten it out, wings level, there you go. Information Victor, number 2, gonna fly westbound. AZ
Hotel, then contact ground. Thank you, 242 Charlie.
Roger, starting right turn now for midfield downwind and keep my speed up, AZ Quebec, clear to land, 22 right.
22 right, runway to hotel, request to Charlie to the hotel.
Did it! High five!